Hi everyone. So as some of you already know and saw on my Instagram, I was waiting for a package from Japan. So I have done a 300 pounds order from Japan Plaza. So few kits and few wheels, and I will show you everything that I got. It's time to start enjoying the quarantine. It's a big box. It's a really big box. Hope you guys can see. Nice box. So let's start. I'm gonna start by the wheels. I ordered a few. So first as SSR Professor M S3 19-inch race 57 extreme 18-inch one Watanabe 15-inch. I got another extreme for some reason 18-inch. It's exactly the same. I don't remember to order two, but it's alright. Another one Watanabe, this one 17-inch. I remember this one. Ray TE37 in 17. The same ones but in 18. And this one from Art 15-inch. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with them, to be honest, whether I'm gonna use it or not, but I had none in stock, so just to make sure I got some extra if I need. So moving to the cars, you guys gonna notice this is just Japanese cars as expected from Japan. So I'm gonna start with CRX. I'm thinking to do a second one. Moving then, let's see, maybe this one. So a Mazda FX7, shit, this cameraman from Virginia. One Fairlady Z from Aoshima. These might be the last ones. One S2000. And now it's gonna start the Hondas. So basically I wanted to do one of each, and I had in mind to do especially the 8K. So doing the facelift, the pre-facelift. So this will be the pre-facelift, and this one the facelift. Both of them type pairs. So I'm gonna do something like I'll paint it exactly the same, just the different versions of it. And because I love Hondas, I found one Civic Fairview VTI 4 doors. It's getting pretty hard to find, so I'm really happy with it. And one Integra DC2. I did one before. Unluckily, it didn't look good at all, so it's gonna be my second chance. And now, because as the same as with the Hondas, I want to do something like they're gonna look all the same, just the different versions of them. And as you should know, I already got one, but yeah. So GTR R32 and I got the R33 done. Oh shit. So R33 and R34. So yeah, I'm still missing the R35. Need to order it somewhere. That's it. Box is empty. Let's see how they look inside. So starting by these wheels. Some nice thread in there. Let's take it from the box. They look stretch. Gonna be nice in some of the wonders. Got a really nice thread. They came with some decals as well. Let's look at it. Okay, upside down, sorry. A few different colors. Even came with the license plate holder. Really nice. Usually you never get stuff like that in here, so. And the wheels. They are made from Aoshima, so we expect a good quality, and to be honest they look really good. Gonna try to get it closer. They look really nice. Good. Moving on, we have 20 boxes. So this is the sign, some SSR. I think this will be BBS. No, again from Aoshima. The tires should be the same or really close to it. Yeah, they look the same, just really thin. It's gonna look strange in the wheel, I believe, but yeah, we shall see it later. And the wheels, I hate when they came in chrome. So it means we need to strip it down so you can lay the paint. But they look good. Really good. Let's move on. Everyone knows the Economy. Oh, this one comes with some discs, plates, everything. And the tires are already in. They look alright. The tires are more like the normal ones that came in the kits. Not that thin, not stretched, anything, just the normal tread. But yeah, it's alright. And some discs for it. I didn't know about this, but good for me. I don't mind at all. Again, some decals. Great job, Effigy. Let's put it in the box. Probably I was missing one thing. This one is exactly the same, just a different size. Let's move to this one. Just bought this one because it looks proper Japanese rules. Some old style. Maybe gonna use on the next series. This one got some screws. Don't really know why. Got some screws, but whatever. Okay, this one comes with some flashing. You can notice in here some flashing. Just in one side, so the other one is alright. Just gonna remove them. Again, they are really wide, but normal thread, not stretch anything. And here is the wheels. Again, they look nice, deep, great details. Yeah, just really small. But for the CRX, it will be the right size, as it's a 15, and the CRX will come with 14 and 15 if I'm not wrong. Okay, the last two. So they are exactly the same, just different sizes. Let me show the bigger one. Again, some of the decals are exactly the same as the first one I will show. This one came in red. Again, nice details and everything, really smooth, no flashing at all. And the tires, again, they are some stretch tires with a nice tread. I really like these tires, to be honest, more than the original ones. They always look thin. Maybe they're gonna look alright in real. Let's see. Oh yeah, it really looks nice. Good job. Another good job. Really happy. Okay, so that's it, all the wheels. So moving to the cars, I will not open all of them because most of them you guys already know. I know a few of them already. So I'm gonna open my favorite one and two that I never did open or even saw some proper video of it. Okay, my cat came to say oh, hello. Well, okay, let's start by the Fairly Dizzy. I was not meant to do these videos or even thought about this one, but I like how wide it is, so I decided to. I will not show in deep because, as you guys know, I'm gonna do an unboxing for each one of them. So I'm just gonna show a little of them. To be honest, they look really, really nice. I can't. No, there is one mold line, but you can't even see it properly. To be honest, it looks nice. It's gonna be a nice build. I hope so. We shall see what we're gonna do with it. Well, it came with some Watabi Tanabe. I never know how to spell that name. Okay, moving on. It's a big pile. So, spray facelift on the Civic. I hate when the body comes in red, and for some reason you can notice the sunroof is in here and it's deep inside, not deep on the top. So I hope, yeah, it's here. Okay, so this is like, it gives you an option if you want without sunroof or with sunroof. Oh, nice. The other one doesn't have sunroof, at least not on the image, so if not, I'm gonna keep both of them without sunroof. Again, a nice body, some nice deep lines, some details, even Civic comes here. I'm gonna remove it for sure and apply the decal to be better, but yeah, nice one. Moving on to the next one. This one is getting harder to find. It's getting really harder to find and expensive. I bought this one really cheap, to be honest. But yeah, I don't believe I'm gonna find another one soon. So let's try. This one comes in black. Again, we'll need some primer and hopefully it will cover well. Nice shine. Hello everyone. So yeah, I have one coupe, the next version of this one of course, but I can't find another one, and that one was my first build, so I never showed them. And to be honest, I would like to do another one, only if I got lucky. There you go, that's it. Nice file in here, 300 pounds in cars and wheels, just like 3, 6, 8 wheel sets, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 cars. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.